Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SW Metro official channel. Janelle Brown explains when Meri disconnected from family for Coyote Pass. Janelle Brown isn't normally candid about the inner workings of the Brown family in Coyote Pass. But the Sister Wives star is weary of keeping quiet and has decided to speak up. She recently spoke out about Meri Brown's choice to split from the large polygamous family for Coyote Pass. Janelle reported on the Reality Life with Kate Casey podcast that Meri began to distance herself from the family in Coyote Pass. The mother of one always appeared to have a connection with Robyn Brown, but it hasn't lasted since their divorce. Janelle brought up the connection. She and Robyn were always pretty close. But, according to the mother of 6, everything changed when Kody and Meri's child, Leon Brown, left for college. Fans of Sister Wives will recall Meri becoming embroiled in a catfishing incident, which strained her marriage. Janelle said, "I believe when Leon left the house, and she was an empty nester before we were, Mom began to pursue a lot more interests outside of the family. Because, yes, she had time." Janelle and Meri were never the closest of sister wives since their relationship was strained from the start. Janelle was previously married to Meri's brother. Fans were never certain whether there was awkward tension. Meri admitted in the family book that she was frequently aggressive towards Janelle. But Janelle did not bring up their past, instead saying, "But I know she and Robyn were always pretty close to a lot of things." But, in Janelle's judgment, something shifted as she concluded her interview, saying, "So I'm not sure if she was separate. She and Kody had been estranged for several years." The Sister Wives women have numerous reasons to be upset with Kody Brown. Nonetheless, a recent interview with Janelle Brown, in particular, has admirers scratching their heads. After everything the family patriarch has done to the women, fans believe they will want to speak up. Has the family patriarch threatened them with legal action? Sister Wives viewers are confused over Christine and Janelle's latest interviews. In a recent podcast interview, Janelle Brown spoke positively of Kody, which is odd and out of character. On screen, Janelle has been harshly critical of her ex-husband's terrible decisions. What caused this shift? Janelle's change of tune, a Sister Wives viewer wrote on Reddit. "So everyone is wondering why Janelle has altered her tune, and I'd want to share one idea with everyone. I wonder whether Janelle and Christine's legal counsel advised them to play nice. After all, they've decided to sue their ex-husband, and attacking him may make their suits appear petty and vengeful, muddying the waters. However, if they play nice, things look a whole lot better for them." The OP went on to provide evidence to back up their theory before asking what other fans felt. In return, Sister Wives viewers appeared to have a diverse variety of perspectives. Comments include, "I thought Janelle was being extremely Janelle on that episode. I don't intend to be negative, but she's not really confrontational. She has also regularly been satisfied with some of the questions she has been asked. Like she always says she wanted to live in the fifth wheel. Money. She might be negotiating with him. There's nothing like money to silence a person. They can play nice while sticking to the same script they recite on television. These episodes are 2 years old, and it has already been stated that repeating or discussing it more will not harm them." Christine Brown slams Kody. In a new interview. If lawyers ask the Sister Wives stars to tone things down a bit, Christine Brown isn't listening. Christine mocked Kody's hair fixation in a recent appearance with Entertainment Tonight, implying that he wears panties. Christine appears uninterested in maintaining peace after pursuing legal action against her ex. What are your thoughts on this new Sister Wives discussion? Do you think someone asked Christine and Janelle Brown to tone down their interviews? Bring your own voice to the discourse. What are your thoughts on this new Sister Wives discussion? Do you think someone asked Christine and Janelle Brown to tone down their interviews? Bring your own voice to the discourse. They all agree that even if they hadn't approved, Christine would have carried out her intentions. One of the most common complaints was how swiftly they were going. Christine is also connected to her other children from the poly marriage. Christine has had a falling out with Kody, Robyn, and Meri, but she remains close to Janelle and her children. David acknowledges he does not know Robyn or Meri well. However, he believes he can eventually have nice interactions with Kody. However, David has revealed which of the Brown children he is closest to. While David Woolley cares about all of his children and Christine Brown Woolley's children, he admits that he has a special bond with one of the Brown children. He told Entertainment Tonight, "The closest with is Truly, of course, because we live together. Without a question, he is doing an excellent job as Truly's stepfather." He continues, "So she and I bond really well, over everything. When she's unhappy with Christine, I can simply break the ice by taunting her." Christine Brown adds, "He doesn't allow her to be a moody teenager. He just talks to her and begins addressing her. He doesn't avoid her. He says, 'You're temperamental like your cat, Truly.' Then David says, 'She can just be herself with me.' In addition, he wants her to be comfortable. He adds, 'And I don't judge her for it. Just be yourself, and we'll have a great time.' He wants to protect Christine Brown and her family. David Woolley is determined to safeguarding Christine and her children. He understands how much she has gone through after leaving Kody Brown. He also notices that Kody is dealing with a wide range of emotions. Furthermore, he mentions that if he could strengthen a relationship with either of the children, it would be Gwendolyn Brown and Beatrice Queiroz, whom he does not see often. However, he loves them and thinks that the more time they spend together, the closer they will become. He added, "I love them. They are fantastic." He also claims that he and Michael T. Brown Padron compete to see who can pester the other the most. Christine Brown, David Woolley, Michael T. Brown, Tony Padron, Aspen Brown, Mitch Thompson, and the children. Sister Wives on Instagram. Christine Brown and David Woolley are looking forward to their honeymoon after a year of marriage. While they are still madly in love, they are learning more about each other's families. He admits that he misses her when she is away and appreciates how she takes care of him when she is home. David and Christine are grateful that their relationship is built on trust and honesty. Watch the ET interview here. What are your thoughts on David Woolley's tight relationship? Does it surprise you how close he and Truly are becoming? When do you believe Truly embraced him into their family? What did you think about the most recent episode of Sister Wives? Please leave your comments below. Fans of Sister Wives will recall Meri becoming embroiled in a catfishing incident, which strained her marriage. Janelle said, "I believe when Leon left the house, and she was an empty nester before we were, Mom began to pursue a lot more interests outside of the family. Because, yes, she had time." Janelle and Meri were never the closest of sister wives since their relationship was strained from the start. Janelle was previously married to Meri's brother. Fans were never certain whether there was awkward tension. Meri admitted in the family book that she was frequently aggressive towards Janelle. But Janelle did not bring up their past, instead saying, "But I know she and Robyn were always pretty close to a lot of things." But, in Janelle's judgment, something shifted as she concluded her interview, saying, "So I'm not sure if she was separate. I mean, she and Kody had been estranged for several years."